Meghmalar now has the words Garaj Ghumad Ghana Chayo Badarva.
So the treatment of the musical notes is also changing along.
Yes, also depicting the nature of that lady singing the bandish. Her anxiety to meet her beloved is also increasing,
Great.
along with the gathering of more clouds in the sky.
So beautiful. We would like to just listen that through your words, bandish, and your musical notes
Sure.
also.
गरज घुमड़ घन छायो बदरवा 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 बरसन लागी झूमरिया बरसन लागी झूमरिया गरज घुमड़ घन छायो बदरवा घनन घनन नभ में गरज घनन घनन नभ घनन घनन नभ में गरज घनन घनन नभ में गरज घनन घनन नभ घनन